Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download Microsoft Photos in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to make sure your Windows 11 computer is completely loaded and ready to go. Once your PC is up and running, we can begin the download process. Now, navigate to your Windows Start menu and click on it. Once the Start menu opens, type in Microsoft Store and press Enter. This will launch the Microsoft Store window, which is where we'll find and download the Photos app. Once the Microsoft Store window opens, direct your attention to the top part of your screen. You'll see a search bar there. Click on it and type in Microsoft Photos, then hit Enter to search for the app. The search results will appear, and you should prominently see the Microsoft Photos app listed among them. Click on the Microsoft Photos app to access its overview page. From here, you'll be able to see the app's description along with its ratings and reviews. This gives you a good idea of what the app offers and what other users think about it before downloading. Now, here's the important part. If you already have the app installed, you'll see an Open button. However, if you're downloading it for the first time, you'll see a Get button instead. This is where the download button is located. Simply click on Get, and your Microsoft Photos app will start downloading to your Windows 11 PC. After clicking Get, you'll need to wait a moment while the download and installation process completes. Depending on your internet connection speed, this should only take a minute or two. The Microsoft Store will handle everything automatically, so there's no need for any additional input from you during this time. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded Microsoft Photos to your Windows 11 computer. The app is now ready to use for viewing, editing, and organizing all your photos. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.